Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this really great, awesome, COMHOMA office chair. I've been using it outside purely because I get to work from home right now, and I like working outside because it's very peaceful and the weather's lovely. And one of the things I like most about this chair is how easy it was to assemble. It probably took me about 10 minutes, and this was the only tool that I needed. It was really just simple instructions. The chair looks great on its own, and it's very smooth. It also, you can raise and lower the height just by doing that with this little lever right here, as you can see. Super simple, super sleek, very comfy as well. It has a nice arch back, provides a lot of support. It's the wheels seem to do a good job of moving around and stuff, and really like this chair, so I'm gonna go ahead and recommend it to all of you guys. Thanks for watching.
Well, what's the emergency anyway?